Hi, good morning students. Now welcome back to the third session. We are discussing about the food components. In the last two classes, we discussed about the food components. In a short while, we have to recap the food components. Now you tell me how many types of food components are there? Good, 5 types. What are they? First one is 5 types. Among that, first one is the carbohydrates. Second one is the protein. Third one is the fat. Fourth one is the vitamins. Fifth one is the mineral. See here, food components are of 5 types. First one is the carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 types of the food components. And we discussed about the test of the food components. In the last class we discussed about the test of the carbohydrate. How to do the carbohydrate test? We have to take the iodine solution and food sample. With these two we can confirm the presence of starch. First we have to take a small quantity of a food sample in a test tube and add iodine solution into that. If the food is turned into a dark blue or black color, then it indicates the presence of starch. Now comes to the point of the protein. We have to take 2 chemicals to test the protein. First one is here sodium hydroxide. Next one is here copper sulfate. And you have to take the food sample. Take any food sample in a test tube and make it a paste. Add 2 drops of sodium hydroxide and 10 drops of copper sulfate and mix it well. If it gives a purple color or a blue color, which indicates the presence of proteins, that is the confirmation test. Next comes to the point of fat. Take a white paper or a groundnut or a badam or a kaju, anything, and grind it well. Take a food sample, place it in a paper and fold it and make it a grind. And open the paper. If you see it translucent, then it indicates the presence of fat. Okay. Now we completed only these 3 tests. Now comes to the point of the next topic. In next class we discussed about the roughage. Roughage. What is roughage? It's a kind of carbohydrate which is failed in our digestive system, so that which helps in preventing the constipation. What are the examples of roughages? Lady's finger, sweet potato, bunch beans, palak, papaya, peas. These are the various examples of the roughages. It is nothing but it's a kind of thread-like structure. If you cut and open the bunch beans or the lady's finger, you will find the thread-like structures. Take the example of leafy vegetables like palak. Okay? You try to peel that, you will find a thread-like structure in all types of leafy vegetables. It is nothing but a roughage which helps in preventing the constipation. Okay. Now next one is that water. Yesterday we discussed about the importance of a water. Okay. It is very important to everyone, even plants, animals and the humans. Nowadays we are facing a lot of water scarcity problems. Okay. Here our 70% of our body is filled with the water. You have to take more and more water. Not only that, here if you take a fruits and vegetables which are filled with the water content. Just now I said that our body is 75% is filled with the water. If you take a vegetables or fruits which are also filled with the water. If you take the dry fruits which are without water, dried fruits without water. If you take the fresh vegetables and the fruits which which are filled with the water. Example, watermelon, grapes, orange, lemon, tomato. These are the various examples of the water. And yesterday I showed the small experiment which is useful to our digestive system. Here, if you take a dry food, it can't allow to pass smoothly into the food pipe. Yesterday I showed the experiment. I took a test tube and I took a piece of duster and tried to put it in duster into the test tube, which is not allowing to move smoothly into the test tube. What I did? I kept a water into the duster, then I placed it on a test tube so that it smoothly entered into the tube. So that means in the same way, if our food is mixed with the water, which will move easily into the food pipe and into the digestive tract. So that is the importance of the water. Okay, now comes to the next point is that about the balanced diet. About balanced diet. Yesterday we discussed that here what is a balanced diet. That means it should be covered all the 5 nutrients into the food so that we can meet a balanced diet. We have to see that while taking any food item, it should include the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So if it covers everything, all the 5 components, then it is nothing but a balanced diet. That means yesterday I said that no need to go for a number of curries and number of meals. No need. In simple way also we can finish that. We have to see that one carbohydrate should be there, proteins, vitamins, minerals and the fat it should be. Even a poor people can also affect it, I said yesterday itself. Okay. If you take one sambar or curry, along with that take the rice. With these 3, it is finished. Balanced diet. Along with that, you have to take a small chocolate sized piece of jaggery so that it will fulfill our balanced diet. Even everyone can afford it. Now comes to the point of today's our topic is about the junk food. Okay, avoid junk food. That means here you have to avoid eating the junk food. Why we have to avoid eating the junk food? First of all, I would like to ask one question to you. Why we like the junk foods? First reason is that by seeing the color of the food, that means we will attract. Am I right? Suppose take pizza, a burger, and a Manchuria. By seeing the color itself, we will be attracted. First reason is that by seeing the color, we will attract it. The second reason is taste. Okay, it is very tasty. So first we will attract by the color, second we will attract by the taste. Okay, think once, if we prepare something at home and we will go for outside for same food, here the taste is different. Why like that? I'll say the reason. Okay. Next one is that here smell. It will attract by the smell also. Okay. Suppose on the bike or a car you are passing from the front of the Manchuria or a noodles. By seeing you will attract, by the smell you will attract, and if you are already tasted, you know the taste also. So you are attracted towards that only because of the 3 reasons. Okay, attraction by color, smelling and taste. Why we will not get that kind of taste into our food, homemade food? What is the reason? That means here they will add some of the chemicals to get more taste. That chemicals are very harmful to our digestive system. Slowly it going to affect our health system also. Are you understanding what I am saying here? If you prefer for the homemade food, slightly taste is differ there. Okay, because there separately they'll add some ingredient Here we will add other ingredients instead of that. Here nowadays everyone is knowing that because of the taste they are adding the extra chemicals. Most of the people are avoiding the junk food. Now recently we are affected with the coronavirus. Lockdown completely, mostly for 2 months. Completely avoided the outside food. That means everyone they try to prepare something at home. Okay, which is healthy food. Which is healthy food. Why can't you do in such a way? So avoid eating the junk food. That is better. They will add for the attraction artificial colors, which is going to cause a cancer. Okay. And if you go for outside mirchi bhaji and everything, they will repeatedly heat the oil. Suppose today they will prepare some quantity of mirchi. ఇవాళ కొన్ని మిర్చి ప్రిపేర్ చేశారు. They used kg oil to that. Half the kg of the oil is left off. ఇవాళ మిగిలిపోయిన oil. Tomorrow what he will do? In the same oil, he repeats a new oil. ఆ నిన్నటి మిగిలిపోయిన ఆయిల్ లో ఇవాళ ఫ్రెష్ గా ఇంకొక ఆయిల్ యాడ్ చేస్తారు. And he will do 2 days also. Again that will remain. అది కూడా మిగిలిపోతుంది. Next day he will go for the new oil. Continuously cycling. The same oil is remaining there itself, which leads to the cancer causing agents. ఆ ఆయిల్ లో రిపీటెడ్ గా హీట్ చేయడం వల్ల క్యాన్సర్ కాజింగ్ ఏజెంట్స్ అనేవి రెడీ అయిపోతాయి. That means it is now not a oil, it's a cancer causing agents. That means at home we will not do like that. Today we will prepare the remaining oil our mothers use in the curries. The next time we want to prepare, again we will take a fresh oil. That is a one different, main different. And another different is that they will add a colors. At our home we will not add any colors. Whatever available with that itself we will prepare it. Second, and outside for the taste they will add the tasty salt, vinegar, soya sauce, this, that and everything they will add. Instead of that we can replace it. Instead of tasty salt, vinegar, we can use a lemon, we can use a tomatoes for the same taste, but little variation will be there. So got the difference between the junk food and homemade food. Try to avoid eating the junk food. If you take the junk foods are many are there. Here pizza, burger, chips. You can prepare at home also all these things. So try to avoid. Even you can avoid the chocolates also here. Avoid eating all such things so that you will be very healthy and your digestive system will be very healthy. Now next come to the point of here history of food and nutrition. We have to discuss about the here history of food and nutrition. Here Lavoisier is a scientist. He is the founder of science of nutrition. That means he is the father of nutrition. Lavoisier. Okay, Lavoisier is the founder of science of nutrition. After that, James, he is also one of the scientists, famous scientist of the nutrition. He found that the disease name is scurvy. What do you mean by scurvy? Which is finished in your 6th class and 5th class also. Scurvy. Got it? That means it's a bleeding gums. చిగుళ్ళ నుంచి రక్తం కారుతుంది. It's a bleeding gums. How to avoid that? So this James scientist, he discovered that scurvy is a disease which will not go by uses of the medicines. By taking the food and nutrition only, we can avoid this disease scurvy. So he said not only that here malnutrition, these are the types of different types of diseases are there. Malnutrition, that means if you take the lack of nutrition, ఏవైతే న్యూట్రిషన్స్ ఫుడ్ సరిగ్గా తీసుకోరు పిల్లలు, so they will get the malnutrition diseases. So if you take all kinds of fruits and vegetables and pulses, you will be very healthy. Okay, now small recapitulation. Okay, overall completely we discussed in this chapter is here about the food components, next to the fish, water, balanced diet and avoid eating the junk food. Now it is assessment time. Here You have to take the textbook, open the textbook, take the page number 2 and 3, write in your own words about the starch test and the fat test and the protein test. You have to write in your own words in the classwork. Start writing the starch test, protein test and the fat test on your own words, and write a short note on the rough edge with examples. Next, you have to write this experiment, water experiment, page number 5. Write on the water experiment. Next comes to the point of small matter on avoiding the junk food. These are your assessments. And you can also try to fill the page number 8. Fill up these blanks and choose the correct answers as the following. Next, try to write on page number 7. Page number 7. Try to attempt a few questions on your own words so that we will end up this lesson. Thank you.